Welcome back and thank you so much for joining me. So to start off, I just wanted to go over indices with an index of 0 because that will help us to understand negative indices. So we know when we've got 2 over 2, or as our powers get bigger, our numbers get bigger. So 2 squared is 4, 2 times 2. Then when we get to 2 over 1, that's just saying we have 2. Now, I mentioned in the previous video that if we are simplifying and I've got 2 over 1 divided by 2 over 1, we cancel out and it will just be 1 normally, or we could do 2. We've got 1 down here, so we take 1 away. 1 take 1 is 0. 2 to the power of 0 equals 1. Anytime we've got a power of 0. So I have mentioned that before. Now I want to continue to think about this because when we've got a negative indice, it doesn't mean that we're going to have a negative number. All it means is that our number is going to be getting smaller and it stays as a whole number. So if I have the base is 2 and I have negative 1, all that means, anytime I've got a negative, I can rewrite it by looking at a fraction. I can pull that down underneath and make it a positive. And then a 1 will go up the top. If I had, for example, 2 to the power of negative 1a, then the a would stay up the top, and the 2 will go down the bottom and the indice becomes a positive. It doesn't matter if it's a negative 2. All that happens is the power is a positive 2 underneath the line. So for example, if I've got this question here, 3a negative 2b 3. I look at what is a positive already. 3 and b are cubed, so 3 and b cubed will stay up the top. What is negative will be flipped to being positive underneath, a squared. The next thing I'm going to be looking at is when we have done the division. So if I have division and I've got 3a to the power of 2, a to the power of 4. If you remember the rule that we talked about, we normally cross off. So I'm going to do it 2 ways. The first way, I'm going to do it this way here. I'm going to expand. So a squared is 3aa over a to the power of 4 is a times a times a times a. So, and we cancel out. I cancel 1a out, I cancel this one. Cancel this a, and I cancel another a. And then I look at how many a's do I have left. I've got 3 over a to the power of 2. So another way we looked at that, and we've done this question before, is 3a squared over a to the power of 4. I've done it as 3a, 2, how many a's do I have down here? 4, minus 4, 3a, 2, a to the power of 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. 3a to the power of negative 2. exactly the same, but because this is negative, I'm just going to take the negative indice down underneath the line. So I've got 3a to the power of 2, and I got the exact same answer. So I just wanted to do it a couple of ways, just so you get a sense of what is a negative indice. I really hope that helps you understand negative indices. If you need any extra help, message me and I'll make a video just for you.